All right, this is the fastest and easiest. Here's I've got an image. I see this little brown stone. There are a couple others, but this one seems to pop out, so we may want to just get rid of that. Let's do the image resizing first. So we'll get the canvas size, and I want this to be 4096 and 2048, and I'm going to leave it locked just to demonstrate something. So I say OK and proceed, and then if I click on this and unlock it, you can see I have no extra information, but I won't need it for this, I don't think. Right, so normally you want to have as much information to deal with as you can, so you get the edges kind of going for you. But in this case, we really don't need it. So let's. I'm not going to see the pattern. I'm not going to make a pattern and all that. I know it won't tile well. So let's do the filter, other, the offset, and I see. Yeah, here's my vertical and here's my horizontal. I'll move my. Oh, I moved the image horizontally. Okay. Takes some getting used to. And about the middle is good. So here's my vertical and here's my horizontal seam. I'm just going to jump right in with the clone stamp tool. I'm going to clone this little rock here and then just start painting. And I'll switch and clone this rock here. That's too close together, so I will. Let's get this stone here. There we go. You can see I'm almost done with the this part of the seam. I'll see if I can't get this part over here. I'll clone from something from up here. Again, even in this case, it's still better to. I'm gonna be real careful not to get all the way to the edge. In this case, it's still better to copy and paint, clone and paint, clone and paint, because we don't want to get too much similarity. This stone and this stone, for instance. But I think they'll be okay. We just clone and paint, clone and paint, clone and paint. I'm losing the seams here, so let's do it again. Filter, offset. I think seems like there might be a seam here. I don't. Oh, here's a horizontal seam. So and where did I think I saw a seam right here? I think. Mm. Okay, let's try the tiling where we make a pattern. don't say okay, because it's 100% right now, and I want to make it like 20. 20. There is at least 3-4 stones in a row that looks like that shows up, and this upright stone. So see if we can't find those in here. I think it's these and this one. So let's just break this stone up. Maybe just get a oops, got a clone from the right spot. That's a little bit more, a little bit less pronounced. And then this group here, this one is a little fuzzy, so it must be one of my cloned stones. Let's do it again. Looks good to me. Let's try tiling it. And then say 30. Yeah. Now this is going to be a ground pattern. It looks like there's a kind of grouping of little stones that I might want to break up a bit, but a ground pattern is not going to be recognizable because you only see small sections of it you happen to be standing on. But the point is, we can continue to work on this if we want. There's a kind of group of small stones that repeats and repeats, so maybe we can get a it's right in here. So maybe we can get some kind of stone to break that up a little bit. Get a bigger stone, maybe. And then this grouping here is still a little bit. Get rid of the one in the middle. There we go. These two together might be problematic. All right, do it one more time. Pretty good. That's 40, 20. Yeah, that's very good. So there's I'm going to save this. So here's a saved tiled pattern. When I save this image, the video will stop recording. So I'll stop it now.